This quick guide shows how to send USDT from Binance safely and correctly. Open Binance, go to Wallet, then select Fiat and Spot to withdraw. Choose USDT as the asset and click Withdraw or Send. Paste the recipient wallet address exactly, no extra characters or spaces. Select the correct network, ERC20 for Ethereum or TRC20 for Tron. Fees and speed differ. If the destination requires a memo or tag, enter it now, otherwise leave blank. Type the amount, review the withdrawal fee, and confirm the net amount. We recommend sending a small test transfer first to confirm everything arrives. Approve with your two-factor authentication or email code to authorize the transfer. Copy the transaction ID after sending and use a blockchain explorer to track it. If you selected the wrong network, funds may be lost. Contact both exchanges and support immediately. Recap: double-check address and network, send a test, then proceed with full transfer. Stay safe.